Hello. So today there is a hidden gem inside JIRA. This feature almost I'm sure that not many people are aware of, or not many people are even using it. So I'm just sharing my screen with sample website that I created. Look at the right corner, maybe for your right corner, for the screen left corner, left center. There is a the vertical button called provide feedback. You watch that, and I'm clicking on that. It opens a page to gather the feedback. Such a simple functionality that is actually coming from Jira, and you can also do it within 2 minutes time. You want to see how? Let us start. Okay, so now let's go back to our favorite Jira instance called skill binary Jira. And now I'm going to take you to the project settings. Okay, go to pet store or whatever project you have in your test area, and go to this project settings. You'll be looking at a lot of schemes, workflows, and fields. Along with that, you will also see something called issue collector. Okay, click on that, and I just created one sample. I want to create one more thing. For example, add issue collector. Okay, I'm just adding an issue collector. It's going to show you a pop-up with some technical details, and I'm just going to say my sample feedback form, and copy and paste. And when someone submit a form, how the ticket needs to be created inside your Jira instance. You want it like a story or bug or task, however you want to set it up, and I'm going to set it up like task. And you'll also learn in some other video creating your own issue type. So you can also create a issue type called feedback and add whatever columns you want to gather, and you can configure it here. As simple as that. And this reporter is given us a mandatory field. So what we can do, whenever there is an issue reported, probably we can just say attempt to match submitted details, or I'm going to search, and it's going to be my name. Now I'm going to just say Subramanian Palaniappan. It's going to default to that value, and pretty much I'm going to keep everything else as simple. And this provide feedback, you want to say gather user inputs just for the sample. And next, the trigger style, where do you want to position it? Do you want in the top like this, or subtle on the bottom right? It's the traditional one, or the vertical one what I have shown you, or the custom one you have to write a code. You can also write your own code if you're a techie guy, right? So vertical, I'm just going to choose that vertical. And issue collector form template is going to be got feedback or raise a bug or custom. You can also ask them to give a feedback, or if they find any issues with the website, they can also raise the website, right? Raise a bug. And for the feedback form, we have this default read this page and some text areas, and uploading a file option, name and email. Okay, and I'm going to just leave everything to the default value, and I'm going to create this issue collector. The fun part is going to start now. Once it is done, it's going to show you some HTML snippet. Don't worry, it's going to be a very simple HTML part. Okay, I'm going to write a simple HTML file here. Let's say okay, that's it. I'm going to save this file as feedback test.html on my desktop. Okay, it's going to change now. And now let's go back to this, and it says embed in the HTML, embed in the JavaScript. There are two different things, right? Okay, let's say copy, come back here, this is script, and script, create another script, and you are given with some other code, just paste inside. And now save it. You're done, almost done. Now let us go back to the desktop, and you see this feedback test HTML. I'm opening it. There you see gather user inputs on the right middle on the screen. I'm just clicking on it. Got feedback was the one which we selected. I'm going to say awesome. You are awesome. Maybe nothing for now. And I'm going to submit this one, and quickly we will go back to our JIRA instance. Now the feedback is submitted, and you will continue with your site as it is. And then there is a project here, and this is our project. Let's go back to this issues section, and you see you are welcome, you're awesome, and you just click on that. So this is created just now, and you can see the timestamp. It is just added to your bucket, the issues bucket. And if it is really an issue, you can even straight away put it in a sprint backlog and fix it. And what you like, you're awesome. What needs to be improved? Maybe nothing for now. And this is just created a few minutes ago or a few seconds ago. See, created 1 minute ago and updated 1 minute ago. And the reporter, we have given us this my name as the default one, so it is assigning there. And if there is a way, if you are going to be using it in your inside JIRA tool or any other inside intranet app, you can gather the feedback right then and there, and that will land in your JIRA instance session issue, task, epic, story, however you want to configure it. I hope you like this. Let's see in the next video. Thank you.